Alrighty guys, so our Jefferson Curl. With this, very commonly, especially in our programming, we use it as a mobility drill. So to help deload through the spine, get a bit more range in the hamstrings, kind of wake everything up. Very common to find it in either our mobility or priming drills. Now, some of the key aspects we want you to focus on here is you generally want to stand up on top of something. That way you can get the range past the feet. If you can't get your fingertips past your feet, that's okay. Depending on what you're using, what you're holding on to, it's obviously going to be a little bit lower than the fingertips. What I like to do is just have my toes off the edge, but depending on what you're using, completely up to you. Of course, to stand on anything, you can use anything. Use weight plates, use boxes, use a step like what I have. From here, very first movement is we round the shoulders. Now, we're not using a heavy weight, which is going to cause us any damage. I'm 103 kilos. I'm using a 12 kilo kettlebell. If you're 60 kilos, use a 4 kilo, 6 kilo kettlebell. Something that feels good, something that you're able to do within your limitations. So, rounding our shoulders. We start to really round and we're going vertebrae by vertebrae. If I've been sitting at the desk all day and I feel a tight spot just here, I'm going to hang for a second. Do a couple little movements. Like I said, guys, this is usually in our mobility drills. So spend some time, get nice and loose. Come down. Oh, I feel a tight spot in my hammies. I'm going to hold here for a second. Yep, get that little bit of length, and then I'm going to finish off. I'm going to try to go to bottom range, wherever that might be. I'm going to hold for a moment, and then I'm coming back up the same way that I did. Now, if any time, guys, you are getting pain through your back while you're doing this, please stop. Either go a lighter weight, or possibly there's something else going on. You may have a mobility or some kind of restriction through the back. But if there is any pain running through that spine, not tightness, but actual pain, then obviously get in touch either with myself, get in touch with whoever's doing your programming, go see someone that you trust, physio, myo. Don't see a chiropractor, you'll waste your time. Anyway, I didn't say that. But go see someone that you trust, someone that can deal with muscles. All right, so that's our Jefferson curls, guys. Again, you can use a kettlebell, you can use a dumbbell, you can use a weight plate, you can use a barbell, anything. Just go light, listen to your body. And again, with our programming, we put it in generally as a mobility drill. It's never going to be a strength and conditioning drill.